Have you ever left your PC unlocked and worried about your data's security? Dynamic Lock uses Bluetooth to monitor the proximity of your paired device. When the signal weakens or disconnects, Windows automatically locks your PCE. Dynamic Lock is perfect for protecting your data in shared or public spaces. Whether you're at work, in a coffee shop, or at home, it ensures that your PC is locked whenever you step away. Make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hidden tricks. See you in the next video.